Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, I'm going to be talking about I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple parallax background with HTML and CSS. As you can see on the screen now, this is what a parallax background looks like. So it's basically hides the background as you scroll, but without, how would I put it, without making the background move. So it just hides it as it makes the content below the background cover it without the background moving. So let me show you how I did it. So now this is my HTML file and my CSS, which I've done it before, but I'm going to clear this away now. So let me just scroll this up and this too. So remove this and style also. So yeah, back to the beginning. So the first thing I'm going to do is to create the background class. Now the space. So from there, I'm just going to create an h1 tag and say parallax background. So next thing I'm going to do, come down here, h1. Okay, let me put this h1 in another div. So this will be content. That will be content below. So I'll just put it here and say also parallax background. So let me move this and paste this here, and below it we should have something like lorem in a p tag. So lorem 400. So now we should have something like this. Yes, so that's the first step. Now the next step is to move to the CSS part and style it. So you just do margin 0, padding 0 also, and box sizing border box. So that's that. The next step is to style the background. So I'll just say background, then start from linear gradient first, then I'll say RGBA, RGB 0, 0, 0 and 0.8, then comma and another RGBA, then 0, 0, 0, 0.8, then the final part. So say URL, and which I have an image that I want to use, so I'm going to put that here, and I should have, okay, this is showing because that's the width, the height. I've not given it an height, so let me say main height should be 120 VH. So I should have something like this. Okay, this is too much. I think I should change this background to 3. So yeah, I have exact. This is the one I used the other time. So other things that are supposed to add to it: background position, center, background repeats, no repeats. So should have this background size also should be cover Yeah, so that's that about the background first. Then we are still going to come back to it. So the next step is to attack the h1 tag in the background. So we're going to say color white, border 1 pixel, solid. Let me give it like 8 pixels because we want the border to be thick, and white also. Okay, font size 20 pixel, width should be 50%, and padding 20 pixel, and the font size, let me increase it to 50 pixel also. So okay, I have this, and one more thing, text align center. Okay, now margin should be 200 pixels and auto for left and right. Okay, now you can see it's there, but we're having an issue. The background is coming down and there is a space on top of it here. So to fix that, we just come back to the background and say overflow hidden. So we are going to have this. So sorry, okay, I have this. You can see now the background is not scrolling the way it was before because we've not done certain things. So now to add that, one more thing, let me just style the content and say h1, text align center, and content p, text align also center. So we have this here. Now to fix the parallax background, to get the parallax effect, you are just going to do something like background attachment on the background class. So you just say background attachment, okay, this is it down here. So you just say fixed. So with that, you are going to get the parallax effect. So when you scroll down, you can see that it's covering it, the content downward is trying to cover it. So let me remove the style, the property, and see the result. So you can see it's not covering it again. Okay, let me increase the font size of this P a little bit. Font size 25 pixel. Okay, so you can see it's not trying to, it's just taking it like that. But if we do something like we put back the property here, you will notice that it will have something like this. This one is moving up, but the background is still static. So that's basically how to do the parallax background effect with HTML and CSS. I hope this video is clear enough. If you have any other question, you can drop it below in the comment section. I'll be willing to answer you. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye.